Hey everyone, it's Tropics WX here with another video on the tropics. We have a brand new tropical storm in the eastern pack. So, let's get into this. Tropical storm Florida, or if I don't know how to say it, Franciana or something. This is located 20.8 north, 129.9 east. Its movement is northwest at 12 I'll pull it up very quickly. At 13.8 miles per hour, maximum sustained winds 40.2 miles per hour. It is targeting islands. So it is targeting some Japanese islands. It's also targeting the Philippines. It's not targeting the Philippines, but it's targeting China and as well as Taiwan. If you live in this area, I would take advice of this because this is very urgent. Let's swap over to Zoomer for you guys, and then, yeah. Gotta refresh it. What the fuck? Okay, yeah, no. Anyway, um, here is the storm right now. It is currently 40 mile per hour with a millibar pressure of 996. It is expected to be a 45 mile per hour storm with targets right here. So if you live in these areas, I would take precaution, take action, and get yourself prepared. Maybe evacuate. I mean, I don't see it becoming a major problem for typhoons. But if you live in the Philippines, I think so for this one. Anyway, this is Tropics WX signing out. Stay safe, everyone. Make sure you take precaution and take action for this one. And we'll see you in the next tropical video. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.